In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change where Firefox downloads. By the end, you will control exactly where every file you grab from the web ends up on your computer. Start by opening Firefox. Once it loads, look near the top right corner of the window. You should see the Firefox toolbar with icons for things like extensions, the profile button, and the main menu. Having Firefox open and active is all you need before moving on. Now click the menu button, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. When you click it, a drop-down panel appears. You will see options like New Tab, New Window, History, and a section for add-ons and settings. This panel is where Firefox keeps most of its everyday controls. From there, select Settings. On some versions, this may open in a new tab labeled Settings or Options. The page has a list of sections on the left side and detailed controls on the right. You are now in the place where Firefox stores all your main preferences. On this settings page, look for the Downloads section, then scroll down to Files and Applications, or it might be labeled Downloads depending on your Firefox version. As you scroll, watch the left side stay fixed while the right side content moves. When you reach Files and Applications or Downloads, you will see controls related to how Firefox handles files you download. Under Save Files to, click the button labeled Browse, or choose on Mac OS. This opens your System File Picker window. You will see your common folders, such as Desktop, Documents, Downloads, and any custom folders you have created. This window might look slightly different between Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but they all let you navigate to a target folder. Next, select the folder where you want Firefox to save downloaded files. You can click an existing folder, like Desktop, if you want new downloads to appear right in front of you, or you can choose a dedicated folder you already use for downloads. Take a moment to be sure you highlight the folder name itself, not just the drive or a higher-level location, so Firefox does not save into an unexpected place. Then click Select Folder. The file picker will close and you will return to the Firefox Settings tab. Under Save Files to, the path now updates to show the folder you just picked. From now on, every time you download a file without changing anything else, Firefox will place it in that chosen folder automatically. If you would rather choose the location each time, stay in Firefox and in this same Settings tab, look again under Downloads, then Downloads. You are already on the right page, so you do not need to open anything new. Just keep your eye on the Files and Applications or Downloads area, where the download behavior options appear. Scroll to Files and Applications, or Downloads, until that section is fully visible. Then check the option that says Always Ask You Where to Save Files. As soon as you tick that box, the change applies immediately. The next time you download something, Firefox will pop up a window asking you which folder to use, instead of silently using the default. You have now set Firefox to either use your chosen download folder or ask you every time where to save files. If this helped you take control of your Firefox downloads, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple browser tips like this.